Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahrul Hisham bin Mat Yusof. My matrix number is AA200055 and I'm from section 3. So now I will represent my groups, which is group 9, to present the problem that we got from subject DAE 12003 Engineering Mathematics. The topic of the problem that we got is topic 4, poor Mr. Semi sliding down the wall. The group members that are included is Muhammad Izzat Ikmal bin Muhammad Zaini, Muhammad Hamzah bin Muhammad Arifin, Muhammad Azim bin Rosdi, Muhammad Aiman bin Rahman, and Aubrey Walter Numpang Anak Alexander. So that's all for me. Next, the content of the report that we have made is firstly minutes meeting, which is we did it for the 2 times, and second, problem statement or diagram about the topic that we got. Then third, we also include fila table. Fourth, the solution of the problem of the topic. Fifth, the conclusion about the problem and the solution. And last, the references that we use to solve the problem.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat Ikmal bin Muhammad Zaini. My matrix number is AA200515. Okay, today I will discuss about minutes of meeting. And I got responsible to handle the meeting for our groups to discuss our project. Okay, for the first meeting, we did it on 10 June 2021. It is for 1 hour. It is at 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. Okay, we did it on Google Meet platform. And for attendance, we got full attendance. 6 members of our group. First one is Amzar, second is Aubrey, third is Aiman, fourth Sharul, fifth Hazin, and sixth Izzat. This is me. Okay, and we did 3 activities. The first one is icebreaking, like we get to know each other well. The second one is understand what we have to do, like we read instruction together. The third one is divide job scope. Alright, we give instruction to our friends, and this is the evidence. Okay, next is for the second meeting. For the second meeting, we did on 16 June 2021, and we did for 1.5 hours, for 3 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. We did on WhatsApp group chat, and we got a full attendance, 6 per 6 members. And we did 2 activities. First one is give information about report and presentation. The second one and last one is check about teammate parts. Okay, this is the evidence that we do on the second meeting. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Hamzah bin Arifin. My matrix number is AA200664. Okay, I'm gonna present the problem statement for our group assignment. Okay, from this question, we know that Mr. Semi climbs a 10-meter long ladder to paint the wall of his house. When he reached the top of the ladder, it falls suddenly. If the bottom of the ladder slide away from the wall at rate 1 meter per second, how fast is poor Mr. Semi sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall? Okay, at this moment we must decide whether to fetch him or not. If we fetch him, he falls. When he falls at rate of 0.8 meter per second or higher, we may suffer severe injury. Okay, what will happen if we fetch him when the bottom of the ladder is 7 meter from the wall? Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Rahman and my number metric is AA2007M32. Today, I will present to you about my task in our group. It is Fila table. Fila table, the format of Fila table that I've got is from the example that has been given in the assignment sheet and the research that I do at the Google. Okay, first of all, we need to look a little bit closer at the problems. What is the problem? Mr. Sami climbs a 10-meter long ladder to paint the wall of his house. When he reaches the top of the ladder, it falls suddenly. If the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall at rate of 1 meter per second, how fast is poor Mr. Sami sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall? At this moment, you must decide whether to fetch him or not. If you fetch him when he falls at a rate of 0.8 meters per second or higher, both of you may suffer severe injury. What will happen if you fetch him when the bottom of the ladder is 7 meters from the wall? Okay, what's the fact from the problem is, number one, Mr. Sami wants to paint the wall of his house. Number two, he uses a 10-meter long ladder and climbs it. And number three, suddenly the ladder slides away from the wall and Mr. Sami falling down. What the ideas that we got from the problem is, number one, 10-meter long ladder was put on the smooth surface. Number two, 10-meter long ladder cannot accommodate width of Mr. Sami. And number three, the wind might have blowing the ladder. The learning issues here is, why didn't Mr. Sami hire a painter to paint the walls of his house? And number two, how the 10-meter long ladder is falling down suddenly. The resources needed here is Internet, Wikipedia, and science brochure. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, but we can solve this problem by using, first we use Pythagoras theorem to know where is the position of Mr. Sami when the bottom of the ladder is 7 meters from the wall. Okay, first the ladder is 10 meters, so by using Pythagoras theorem, is 10 square equal to 7 square plus, which is x square. X is the current position of Mr. Sami when the bottom of the ladder is 7 meters from the wall. And then we solve it, and then we get the value of x is 7.1414 meter. Okay, then we know the rate of the ladder slide away from the wall is 1 meter per second. Therefore, the ladder is slide away at 7 meter is happen at the 7 second. So here we know. So we calculate the speed of Mr. Sami if he fell from 7.1414 meter. So we use the distance speed time formula. So we use the speed which is distance over time. So we know here the distance is 7.1414 meter and the time is at the 7 second. So 7.1414 meter divided by 7 second. So we get the 1.02 meter per second. So both of us may suffer from the severe injury because he falls at 1.02 meter per second, which is higher than 0.8 meter per second. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Rosti. My matric number is AA200100. Okay. For the conclusion, we can conclude that there are numerous ways to solve a math problem to obtain the same answer. The only difference is the prerequisite required before the performing the solution. As long as the value are present, any equation can be used. In this kind of case, we need Pythagoras theorem and speed formula. We can use this formula to find the answer if we understand the Pythagoras theorem formula, and the speed is defined as the rate of change of position of an object is in any direction. In this case, we can calculate the height of the wall using the Pythagoras theorem equation, as well as the speed at which Mr. Sami will reach the bottom of the wall using the speed equation. That's all from us.